Alright, so welcome to another video, guys. Welcome to another one, Fitbykeem, keeping you fit. So today we're gonna go over some tips, some tricks on home workouts. Alright, so today we got the lady, Lala.
And here's how I was on.
Alright, that's gonna be accompanying us for this one. I'm gonna use her to help out demo like some of the exercises what you can do to make your workouts more effective.
Hi, my name is Lakeisha. I'm a dancer and I always love to work out. Also guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.
Alright, so we're gonna go through about 4 exercises. So first up we're gonna be doing the squats, some bodyweight squats. Alright, so Lala, you're gonna perform some bodyweight squats. Alright, we're gonna do about 10 reps and then I'm gonna tell you what you can do to improve that, to make it more effective, make it more intense. Alright, so Lala, we're gonna start off with 10 squats, alright? Those are very good, don't get me wrong. But then in order to make it more effective, what we're gonna do is slow the squats down. So turn around. So we're gonna slow the squats down, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like 5 seconds going down, and then we're gonna explode coming up. Alright, so while going down for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're gonna explode coming up for 2 seconds, squeezing the quad, squeezing your hamstring, glutes, everything. Alright, so we're gonna do 5 reps.
I'm feeling it right here in my legs and also in order because when I'm doing it, I'm squeezing my abdominal muscles, so it's very good.
Alright, so that's one way to make it more effective, by slowing down the exercise, alright? By doing it. So basically what's happening is, because we're slowing it down, to go down on the eccentric, what happening is she don't have any momentum. She's not using momentum to carry her. So that's gonna use more muscles, gonna recruit more muscle fibers. Alright. Another way is by doing with bands. We can use the bands. Alright, so right here we're using resistant bands, which are very effective because while going down, it's gonna keep tension on the muscle right through the movement. And the heavier the resistant band, the more difficult it will be. Alright, so just the same while using the resistant bands, if it's too easy, you can also slow down the reps, making the eccentric a little bit longer. So you can go down for about 3 counts or 5 counts and then exploding for 2 counts to come on up. The form is very important, alright? Like I said, you want to make sure you're keeping the form tight, and you want to make sure that you control right through the movement, don't use momentum, because that's going to make the workout easier. You don't want to make it easy, you want to make it harder. Alright, because when you're in the gym, you're using your barbell, you're using your leg press, you're using all of that. So we don't have a barbell or we don't have a leg press at home. So this is what we're going to do to make it more intense. Alright, so we're going to do some lunges, alright, our split squat. So this is how we're going to kick this one off, and then I'm going to show you another effective way of doing it, alright. To make it more effective, we're going to add a prop. Right, so this is how we're going to make it more effective. So if you've already been doing lunges, these are good, those are very effective, those are perfect. But you want to make it more intense, you want to make it harder. So we're going to elevate one of the legs to perform a Bulgarian split squat, which is very effective. So the further you are, the more focus is going to be on the hamstring, the glutes. The closer you are, it's going to be targeting your quads a bit more, alright? Alright, so exercise number 3 is going to be some push-ups. Alright? Why push-ups? Because it's like the bread and butter. Well, maybe squats, sorry. Alright, so the push-ups, we're gonna start off by doing a regular push-up and then we're gonna step it up. Let me show you what you can do to make it more intense, more effective. Now if you can't do a regular push-up, you can do it modified on your knees. Lala, ready?
Yes.
Alright, so I know that's hard for some people, but for some people that's very easy, that's very basic. So to make it more intense, we can either use the resistant bands. Alright, so I'm gonna put the resistant band just right across your back. Alright, and what's gonna happen is while going down, the resistant band is gonna pull you down and it's gonna make the exercise harder at the top. Alright, so with a regular push-up, I'd say the hardest part is usually at the bottom of the movement, but because you're gonna extend, it's gonna stretch your resistant band, so it's gonna make it harder at the top. Also, what you can do is like the same thing that we did with the squats, where we slow down the squats for 3 seconds or 5 seconds going down and come up. We can do the same thing for the push-ups, which is very good for the chest. All right, so like I said, it cuts out the momentum, which makes it harder because it's going to recruit more muscle fibers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so I'm gonna do some leg raise for the final one. And for the leg raise, we're gonna do it normal, just as most people do it. I believe they do like the rest of their butt on top of their hands. So we're gonna do 10 leg raise.
When you're doing this exercise, you have to squeeze your abdominal so you can able to feel the effect of it.
Most people, when they're doing the leg raise and just bring up them foot, they bring it back down, and you're not getting the most out of the exercise like you should. Alright, and what that means is you want to keep that core nice and tight. While bringing up your legs, you want to make sure that you're exhaling to contract the abdominals more. Alright, so you're letting all that air out your stomach. Inhale while bringing down your legs, and then inhale, exhale to release all that air out your stomach, contracting the abs. Alright, hand placement. What I like to do to make it more effective on hand placement, instead of having my hands under my butt, I like to have my hands a little bit wider. Alright, I turn my palms face down, pressing into the floor as hard as possible, and then just driving my feet all the way up. Alright, so Lala, let's show them what that looks like. So you can see it's a lot harder this way. She's contracting the abs as hard as possible, pressing into the floor. Inhale while bringing down the legs. Exhale to contract while bringing our legs up. Yeah.
And guys, don't forget to...
Alright, so thank you guys for making it to another video. I hope you guys like it. It's very different. But like I said, to make your own workouts more effective, give these tips a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright?
And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Lakeisha. Okay.